Sitting here.
No, we're gonna do it on our legs.
No. Yeah. Quite a bit more. Wait. Why? Hi. Hi. So today, as you probably don't know, she does longboard dancing, and she got a new board, as you can see, I hope. So she's gonna, she's gonna put her board together, and I'm just here for. What purpose am I in this? Hey guys, welcome to
no, not that, but like now.
video.
Okay, so I never ever put together a board in my whole life. We'll see how that goes. Oh my god. Okay, so
Are we talking loud enough?
this is the back side, and this is the front side. And basically, this is from Bustle Boards, and I took this one because it was on sale and I'm broke, and it's a nice board. Anyway, I had a bigger one before, so I'm actually kind of scared of using this one, to be honest, because I think I'm gonna slip and fall. But I did my own custom grip tape, which I wanted to record, but I didn't. I didn't record it. And then I have trucks from Paris Truck & Co. And I have...
You'll get black ones.
Yes,
Like you'll get.
I'll get black ones, but these are just like for now. Then I have hardware and spacers in here, like bearing spacers, and then bearings from Red. Blood orange wheels.
Oh my god, they're black.
No!
Why?
Wheels from Blood Orange. And I have riser pads. Okay. How do we start this? I don't know what you've been playing over.
I just don't know.
Yeah, me too. I'm like...
Oh,
and I can see an ant literally crawling all over my phone.
Where? Oh my god.
No. Oh, should I take this out? You only took the head to take off the nut.
Romeo, cállate. Wait. Romeo, plug. Did it break?
No, but it's in here.
Oh, I slide it. Oh, it worked.
Okay.
Is it supposed to move?
I don't know if it is. Nobody says anything about this. Why?
So you can sit down again. You want to do one? You do one.
No.
Adriana, you do one.
No,
Here.
fine.
There you go. Adriana, do one. Here.
Yeah, I'm that weak that it doesn't even go to the.
Well, mine didn't go to the thingy either. It was just a line.
Yes, subscribe. Okay.
Press down. This one hard.
Ah! Is it?
Are you singing?
Oh my god, it feels different.
Okay, hold on.
I don't know if I'm.
Oh my god, this is so nice. I'm not kidding. This is so
Really?
nice. Yeah, it is. Wait a second. Ooh, look at that.
Oh my god.
That is so cool, and it's so light. Like, look, I'm like literally.
It looks so crazy. Like the.
Oh my god.
It's different, right?
It is.
It's lighter and it's like more smooth.
It feels lighter to press it down.
Yeah.
It feels easier, to be honest.
Like yeah, it feels more pleasant, I guess you could say. Yeah. And it feels like it's higher up and it's like not as
oh my god, yes.
close to the ground.
It does. Is it though? I think it is.
I think it is a bit higher. Yeah.
Let's see if I can actually pull it. Yeah, no, that doesn't work anymore. I have to pick it up now and put
Oh
it like
no.
here, like this.
Well,
But
it's fine.
okay,
Don't
it's lighter. It's
just
not
don't hit people when you do.
Well, it's not as big. Like mine
It
was
really
like,
isn't.
Like
It
the,
really
the
isn't.
other one I had to hold like this. Ow.
It really isn't.
Pop it up. No, not that side. That's the front side. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah. Yeah, it hurts. So nice, right?
It's so curvy. Bye.